Hi, I'm Ujjwal Gupta, founder of StarsColab, and in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can set up affiliation store for your brand, where your store can be discovered by creators and creators can apply for the collaborations, which helps you get your product distributed and get the sales. When the sales happens through the creators, the affiliation amount is automatically calculated. For example, if you have set up that you want to pay 20% commission to the creators, then 20% of the product value is calculated and shown to you, which you can pay to the creators at your convenience. So let's see how we can set up the affiliation store. Just go to StarsColab.com and scroll below and find out section which creator is actually driving major. Click on start tracking button and in the input enter your store URL and click on connect site. Choose type of application and click continue. It will take you to proper authentication page. Click on install and after clicking on install, it will take you to StarsColab success page. Now your site is authenticated. Now final step is to activate the tracker, which will track the sales from the creator. So click on activate tracker, click on open theme editor and perform the steps given in the screenshot. So the first step is to enable the StarsColab tracker theme, which you can see in the left. So enable it and click on save. That's all. Once the save is done, close this tab and go back to StarsColab and scroll below and click on verify integration. After clicking the verify integration, it will open your store and verify the integration in the backend. So just leave it and go back to StarsColab tab and you can see the tracker has been activated successfully. Now click on OK. Now you have two options: create job and launch affiliation store. Click on launch affiliation store. You can see there is a button fetch products. Click on fetch products button, which will fetch all your products from your store. You can see all your products have been fetched. You can set up the affiliation for any of the product. In order to set up the affiliation, click on button set up collaboration and it will open the configuration settings. So you have option budget and affiliation details. So in the budget, you can choose barter or paid plus barter. For simplicity, we are choosing barter, and in the commission you can choose how much you want to pay to the creator in percentage or fixed. So I am entering 20%, and once the configuration is done, click on save. So the affiliation is set up for your product. Now you can see how your store looks like. So click on view public store button at the top. So this is how your store looks like. Creator can discover the store and find out the product for collaboration and apply for the collaboration. Once the creator applies, the collaboration details will be sent out to you, where you can see the creator profile and move forward. Whether you want to accept the collaboration, reject the collaboration, or you want to discuss more, you can discuss everything in the chat and execute the campaign. Once the campaign is delivered, StarsColab will automatically track the sales from the creator, and when the sale happens, it will automatically calculate the affiliated amount and show to you. Similarly, you can set up the affiliation for your other product. I hope this video gave you a quick insight and demo of how you can launch your affiliation store on StarsColab. You can also add the store link to your website, which will allow the creators to discover the affiliation store from your website also. But I'm sure you might have a lot of questions. Feel free to ask any question in the comment. You can reach out to our support email, support@starscolab.com, or go to starscolab.com and schedule a demo. Looking forward to seeing your brand affiliation store on StarsColab. Bye bye, take care, thank you.